So I've been using this Panasonic electric shaver for a few weeks now, but I wanted to show you everything you get in the box, and then I'll show you a demo of how to use it. It's very different than a regular razor. So I'll give you some tips. You get a travel pouch, you get a set of directions, you get the charger, which I actually have not needed to use yet because it does come fully charged, but you're just gonna place the unit on this to charge, and then it has a cover, also great for travel, and then a little brush to clean. And then of course, this is the shaver itself, which I'm gonna show you up close. So it comes in lots of colors. I really like this color. It has a power button right here, okay? And again, it comes fully charged. It has the 3 blades here, and then this is for a bikini trim. You can take it apart just as I did. I haven't done that yet, but I guess that's what you do to really clean it out. And you can use this wet or dry. These directions, and even though I use it wet, they actually say you get a better shave if you use it dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you one area how I use this. So for that one time, I don't feel anything. So you're supposed to go over several times, same area. Okay, now that's smooth. So I'm gonna say it's definitely a different feel when you shave with this than a razor. A razor, I think, gets a tighter, gets closer, but this also still gets very smooth. It's just a different type. Yeah, the key to doing this is to do it several times in the same spot, but you can do this while you're watching TV. It actually does feel better when I did it dry than wet. It actually did feel better doing it dry than wet. So you can watch TV and shave. It's supposed to get less like nicks because you're not actually using a razor blade on you. So just be careful not to press too hard. And then I love that you can do your bikini with this area. So I've read some of the benefits of using an electric shaver for women, especially on your legs, is that you're less likely to get nicks and cuts, less likely to get ingrown hairs. The razor blade itself lasts a really long time. And I do have to say, I've done this out of the shower and in the shower, and I do think I get a better shave with this outside of the shower. So watch some TV, read a book. It doesn't make a mess. You're not getting hairs all over. And then this bikini trim is really cool. So there it is.